Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of prompt engineering course, where in this video we'll be discussing about what is constructive critic prompting. So constructive critic prompting is a very effective framework that allows you to receive objective and expert feedback on your writing. It serves as a valuable tool to identify areas of improvement and obtain constructive criticism, akin to having an expert copy your writing coach by your side. So basically how it works, you first of all give any objective or any business plan or any career related questions to ChatGPT, and you ask it to give it like a constructive criticism on that. So it will basically act as a personal coach or like a teacher. So it will tell you what are the pros and cons of that thing, what are the advantages and disadvantages of that industry or any situation or any question that you want to ask. So yeah, like every other type of prompt engineering techniques, this one also has a prompt formula. So obviously, if you need any type of a constructive criticism or any advice from ChatGPT, you will first say him to be an expertise or maybe a critic, a teacher for that. So yeah, just like that, you will first of all guide ChatGPT. You'll say, I want you to act as an expert and critic in the subject of dash dash dash, whatever you're in industry or whatever your question is. Then you say, criticize my content, paste it below, convince me why it's bad, and give me a constructive criticism on how it should be improved. So it's very clear till here. Then you'll say, for some context, my product or service is dash dash. So you will say my whatever your product or service is. Then you'll also give detail and all the demographics of your product as well. And then at the end, you will give a purpose, like what is basically your purpose or content goal is. So moving forward, this will be the example that we'll be doing for today. Don't worry with the length of that example. It's very easy that I've just added a few more information just to, get a very accurate output from our ChatGPT. So if you will follow these type of format in your example, I'm pretty much sure you will get a perfect and accurate output as you will expect from your ChatGPT. So you say, I want you to act as an expert and critic in the subject of fashion. So first of all, we choose our industry as fashion. So you'll say, criticize my content, paste it below, convince me why it's bad, and give me constructive criticism on how it should be improved. For some context, my product description is for my clothing brand for 20 to 30-year-old eco-friendly customer which appreciate unique modern aesthetics. So yeah, this is basically your demographic, or you can say detail on that. So basically you want 20 to 30-year-old eco-friendly customers which obviously appreciate unique modern aesthetics. So this is basically your you can say demographic or details of your whole industry. So yeah, basically we have all the 4 things that we discussed in our prompt formula just right here in our example. So without any further ado, let's just dive right into the ChatGPT and let's apply our example right away. All right, so yeah, I'm back with my ChatGPT, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paste my example right here, and we'll just review it once again whether it is right or not. All right, it's looking fine. We have all the possible context we want ChatGPT to expertise or advice is about. So let's just enter and let's just see what output is going to give it to us. All right, so before reading it and just, getting an overviewing of all this text that we have achieved from ChatGPT, we can get an idea. This is not some kind of just a regular text, right? With every text, it just gave us a proper advice and just gave us a suggested improvement for every possible expertise or advice that ChatGPT has given to us. So yeah, this is basically looking very useful if you ask me. So just quickly review it, see what it's saying. So it says, as an expert and critic in subject of fashion, I will analyze and critique each piece of your content and make constructive criticism on how it can be improved to effectively engage your targeted audience. So yeah, it's just ensured us in our starting paragraph. So it will act as an expertise and it will critique us in a proper constructive way, not like arguing or not in any destructive way. So it said, introducing our latest addition to our eco-friendly clothing collection, the Modern Vibes t-shirt. With the phrase introducing our latest edition indicate that you have a new product, and this says suggested improvement is discover the epitome of sustainable style with a Modern Vibes t-shirt. The first improvement is suggested us, you need to discover a new epitome that is very trendy or sustainable according to the taste of many people. Should be modern vibe, right? So yeah, by reading all this, you can get an idea. Like right here, ChatGPT is not only giving us like simple output and question, and it's not like just answering our questions, right? It's more of like acting as a personal coach, or you can say a personal teacher. It's advising on every point, like you should do this instead of this, right? So this is basically what constructive criticism is. This is exactly what we wanted ChatGPT to do for us, right? So So yeah, that will be it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you do, don't forget to watch more videos on this course, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you. Bye bye.